Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a one product wash and go on my hair. I've never done this before, so I'm excited to see how this turns out and how my hair is basically going to look. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into this. I did freshly wash my hair, and the wash day routine for that is up on my channel. It should be under my spring wash day routine. So hair is freshly washed and it's already drying out, so we're just basically going to re-wet it. And the product I'm going to be using is this one from Shea Moisture. If it'll focus, there we go. This is their 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration styling gel, and I've never used this for a wash and go. I've only used it basically to like slick my hair, and I thought this possibly would make a good wash and go product just due to the fact that it will, or it should, give my hair hydration because of the coconut oil that's in it. So I feel like, I know this is like a more slippery, oily product, so I feel like that will help give me moisture since I'm not using a leave-in or anything like that. And I don't know, we're just going to see how this goes. It says it's to control frizz and hold, and it's for all hair types. It says lift, tussle, add volume and shine with this hydrating, alcohol-free styling gel. Provides a medium hold that keeps your style in place with soft, smooth strands, no hard crunchiness, and it helps to restore hydration while controlling frizz, perfecting your style with long-lasting results. Leaves hair wrapped in a light coastal coconut breeze. So this is my hair, zero product, and I low-key like it like this, like zero products. I wonder how that would last all day, but let's get started. I do like to do a middle part, and I'm just hoping that this product gives me definition, hold, even though it says medium hold. When I've used it before to slick my ponytails, it's giving me like an extreme hold. Like, it didn't feel like medium, but we'll have to see if that's different for my wash and go. And this is weird because I am using no type of leave-in. And I actually really like the 100% virgin coconut oil line because it is really hydrating. So just wet it. I'm gonna comb through this section real quick. Take a good amount. It's very lightweight, like it's not sticky or anything. It's a very lightweight gel, so that's what's making me kind of nervous, is how lightweight it is. Not sure if it's gonna give me that hold. So far, it's coating each strand and like really clumping to my curls, so that's a good sign so far. Like, it's coating them and smoothing them out right away. Okay, let me get in my roots. My roots are thicker than the rest of all my hair. Show y'all. Okay. And since it does have coconut oil in it right away too, I could feel that oil on my hair, and it made it feel more hydrated right away. So look how frizzy this section is. Like, let's see if this can revive it. Wow. Okay, so basically y'all saw how frizzy that section was. As soon as I apply this gel, it just smooths the hair so well, and you can really feel that coconut oil just coating the strands and helping to rehydrate my curls. Kind of like to like smooth my hand over the curls. That helps get them a bit more defined. guys, I'm still technically a beginner at wash and goes, but I've been getting such good luck with my wash and goes that I do. Look at that. That section was really frizzy and dry, and this is just automatically adding shine and moisture and definition. We are actually getting definition with this product. I mean, it does say that it controls frizz, so yeah. And I'm respraying each section because it's best to work on wet hair because it helps so much with definition. Y'all, this is really amazing how it's taken a super frizzy section and just defining the heck out of it. But at the end of it all, it's all about how the curls dry. Like, how's my hair gonna look once it has dried? So I am gonna have to let this wash and go air dry, but I kind of want to speed up the process and not sit in the house to let it air dry. So I'm probably gonna go sit outside my apartment. We have this little barbecue area in here, so I'll probably sit in that area just so my hair can air dry outside and dry a little faster because it is more of a sunny day too. So like, okay, I want y'all to see this up close. Frizzy, right? Let's apply product and show y'all. Boom. Defined. You guys, my hair is drying so fast without putting leave-in conditioner in it. Like, this whole one product thing, leave-in conditioner makes such a difference after you wash your hair. All right, final look. You guys, it looks really defined. Give you a little turn. It's looking pretty defined and shiny. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna clip back, like pull my hair back a little bit, because that's how I like it to dry. And I'm gonna go outside, let it air dry for a little bit, come back and show you guys how my curls are looking. But I feel like this is gonna be a good wash and go, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been about 20 minutes and my hair is about 95% dry and it looks so good. Look at the definition. So it actually dried really curly, really defined, frizz free. Like, this actually turned out to be a really good one product wash and go, and I can definitely feel a nice little hold on it. Like, yeah, curls are defined, sis. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and stretch out my hair, because I do like to do that a bit too. Come back and show you guys how it looks like that, but this is not stretched or anything, and this is how it's looking. Okay guys, so I just finished stretching out my hair and basically shaping it to my face the way I like it, and these are my final results. Still really defined, frizz free, and I must say I do like my day one hair. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think of how my wash and go turned out. I really like it. The one product turned out good. My hair doesn't feel dried out. My hair has shine, movement. Yeah, just overall looks really good. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye guys.